All right, what up, guys? This is Mr. C. Good morning. We're gonna go over vertex form today. So there's two ways of writing quadratics, right? There is a standard form, which we learn, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to y. And so we learn how to do how to use that form, how to find the vertex, how to find the y-intercept, how to find the axis of symmetry. We did all that. Today we're gonna go over the vertex form, and certain things is easier with the standard, certain things is easier with the vertex form. And the vertex form goes like this: a x minus h, it's an h, sorry, square plus k. Let me write that again. Okay, plus k. Now, what you have to pay attention to is the h and the k. Okay, very important. It's called the vertex form because those two, sorry about that, those two things will give you the vertex coordinate. But do you see this negative right in front of the h? That means that you got to switch the sign of that particular number in order to get to the vertex. Okay, that's what that negative means. It doesn't mean that everything is negative. It means that whatever it is, you have to change it to the opposite. Okay, so for example, simple number one, y equals 2, and let's go with x minus 5 squared plus 2, something like that, right? That means that, if I have something like that and I want to find the vertex, all I have to do is take this number and change it to the opposite, and then take this number and don't change it, and I have my vertex. Right? So easy. You don't have to do the negative b over 2a and plug it in. It's just right there. So where is this vertex? This vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Boom, shakalaka. That's where the vertex is. And, we'll go into how to graph from there on, right? We'll learn how to graph it, but right now, all I want you to figure out is how to find the vertex, okay? So let me show you another one, 2. Y equals 2, x minus 1 or plus 1 squared minus 8. Let's go with that. All right. Pause real quick if you want to pause and figure it out. Okay, I'm assuming that you already paused and that you tried it out. So again, this becomes -1, and this stays as -8, right? So that's your vertex coordinate, okay? All right, so again, if I were to graph this, right, it would be -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, it would go something like this, right? Something like that. Are we good with that? Now, in case there is no term, let's say that it's just x squared plus 4. Now notice that the h is not there, right? There is no h there. Actually, there is. You just can't see it. And what is the number behind the x? Not in front of the x, behind the x. That means that this would be 0, comma, positive 4. Okay. Same thing. Let's say that it was x squared minus 3 squared, and that was it, right? So you have the h, which is the opposite, but this time there is no k. the k is not there. So then it would be comma 0. Right? So just know those things, right?